What kind of douchebag brings a Porsche into a campground off-road like this? Oh, hey, Jeff.
Hi.
Sorry, never mind.
Quick rip down the Forks of the Credit in Caledon is a great way to get a weekend bike trip started. Grabbed some quick breakfast with the guys, and then we headed towards Algonquin. We all set up our tents, and the guys started hanging out the tarp while I got flying around with the drone to get some shots. They didn't mind doing all this by themselves at all. Nope, not at all. But if you had just bought a fancy new drone and brought it along with you while camping out in the middle of Algonquin, I think you'd do the same. The lake was only about a 20-minute walk from our campsite. There was also a pretty cool little waterfall nearby, so we explored that too. And then once we got the fire going, we had a few beers and got up to the usual boys' night shenanigans. Weird there's no video evidence of any of that though. The next day we spent almost the entire time riding the roads in and around Algonquin, which were just amazing. Overall, another great trip up to Algonquin with no major issues or problems to report. Can't wait to go back next year.